Hey everybody, welcome back to A Glittery Life. Whoa, today I was not expecting to film, but something came in the mail that you need to know about. It is the new IT Cosmetics TSV, today's special value, new year, your most beautiful skin, new products, new from IT Cosmetics. I had no idea that some of these products even existed, so when it showed up today and I realized it was going on sale this weekend for the QVC today's special value, I thought, oh my gosh, I better film today. So that is what we are doing. We're talking about 4 new products. One product that came out earlier in the year, 2 I've never heard of, and then I think a new brush. So let's talk about Confidence in a Gel Lotion. This is new. This is a skin transforming moisturizer. It's a lightweight formula that helps address the appearance of visible signs of aging, leaving your skin looking radiant and primed for makeup application. So they are saying that if you use this gel moisturizer, you don't need to use a primer. And you know what? 72-hour hydration. That's very interesting. I love IT Cosmetics. You guys know, if you ever watch my empties or if you ever watch favorites or anything, it's always full of IT Cosmetics. But I think I'm going to do a giveaway. I am trying really hard not to keep stuff that I don't think I'll get to anytime soon. And I have currently 4 open moisturizers that I need to get through and an oil. So I'm going to go ahead and do a giveaway. So stay tuned through the end of the video to see what's in that giveaway and how to enter this giveaway. But this product, spoiler alert, is going in the giveaway. It looks awesome. My sisters and my mom would probably love it. But you know what? I'm sending it to one of you instead. Okay, the next new product, and holy moly, this is for me. This is Confidence in a Neck Cream. Okay, this is their, just like their Confidence in a Cream, but now they have a new transforming, rejuvenating cream for your neck, décolleté, and chest. And I don't know about you, but at 42, I need myself some neck and chest cream. So this looks very similar. It's a huge package. This is a lot of product. 2.6 ounces, 80 mLs. This is a lot of neck cream. I am going to bathe my neck in this. Sorry, this is not going in the giveaway because I need a neck cream right now, so I can certainly use this. But so this is specially created for your neck, décolleté, and chest to anti-age and transform your, if you're me, sagging skin. So love that. Can't wait to try that. Okay, another new product did come out in 2018, but it's still relatively new to the IT Cosmetics family and line, is their Bye Bye Lines foundation. This is shade medium. It's not my shade. I already have my shade, and so I'm going to put this in the giveaway as well. This is their Skin Smoothing Invisible Coverage, and it is really beautiful in the skin. It's almost like you don't have anything on, but it does even out the skin tone, gives you a beautiful canvas, a really smooth, seamless complexion. And it also, this formula helps address the visible signs of aging as well. So this is a cool product, and it has their special drops of light optical blurring technology. And let's be honest, probably over 30s, like early to mid 30s, is when you start needing the blur, okay? It just is what it is. I mean, I have great skin and I'm in my 40s, but I still need a little blur. That's why that Tatcha primer is my best friend. So anyway, I will put this in, and I think I have a lot of these shades. So if you win the giveaway and medium is not your shade, all you gotta do is shoot me an email and I will see if I have your shade. So that's cool. And then it has a new brush that has just come out. This is the Heavenly Luxe Plush Paddle Brush. And we are going to open this one because I've never seen this one. It doesn't say new on the information that I've got, but I have never seen this one. This looks like the kind that are at Ulta though, this like shiny handle. And this is their Plush Paddle Foundation Brush, very densely packed. It's their special soft Heavenly Luxe brush hair, and paddle brushes like this, you can really kind of like blend by sweeping outward, and you're going to get a perfectly like blended face. Now, because I haven't used this one and haven't tried it, I'm going to keep this one, but I am going to put in one of my other favorite IT Cosmetics brushes that's not open. This is their CC Skin Perfecting brush, and that'll go great with that foundation. So you can find out all about these 4 products. This one is not included in the TSV, but the new foundation, the new gel moisturizer, the new neck cream, and then the Heavenly Luxe Paddle Foundation Brush You can find out all about those. I will link everything down below for you. It goes on sale for 24 hours only. And I believe starting Saturday at midnight is when this goes on sale. Sometimes though they sneak them out early, so I don't know. I'm gonna put the link down below and I'm gonna do my best to make sure that you don't miss this. Usually these sets are like a rockin' deal. They don't tell us the price when they send them out. We have no idea what the price is, but as soon as it goes live and I can find out the price, I'll include that down there below for you. But usually they're like over, I mean, like $100 and some odd dollars of savings. And so it's a great way to get IT Cosmetics prices or products at a really, really low price. A lot of times it ends up being, you know, $10 a product or $12 a product. So that's crazy. But now on to the giveaway. I am going to show you what else I'm going to throw in this giveaway. These are the Mally, this is from the Mally Let It Snow collection, and this is their Evercolor Shadow Stick Extras. And you know, I love a cream shadow. These are really pretty. Every single color is so wearable. Burnished Bronze, Timeless Taupe, Champagne Dune, Sand Drift, and Thistle. Every one of those is a quick wash of color, normal, everyday, usable, wearable color. I'm going to send this Profusion Lips to Go kit in Desire. This, for those of you who need a sexy red lip, here you go. This is all you need for it. And then I'm going to put in this Suva Beauty eyeshadow palette. This is Protege. And look at how gorgeous these colors are. You know, this is like my favorite kind of like eye look, favorite shades. And it looks like it has 2 eye colors also that could be used as cheek highlights. So they're on the end, those big squares. So I think this will be fun. It's basically, it's your foundation, it's your eyes, it's your lips, it's your moisturizer primer, it's your makeup brush. This is a pretty good giveaway, I'm not gonna lie. Let's do more giveaways, less hoarding. I can't with all the beauty hoarders, not into it, not into it. So go ahead and check that giveaway link down below for all the ways to enter this giveaway. And let's run this giveaway for, I don't know, a month, 3 weeks, something like that. So all the information will be down below. I am just now deciding really that I'm going to do this giveaway. So I'll figure it out and put everything down below for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you are going to pick this up, if you're going to try to pick this 24-hour Today Special Value up from QVC with IT Cosmetics, or if there is something else on QVC that I should know about, because I'm like a QVC rookie. I get on there, I get really overwhelmed, and I click out. So if you have some QVC advice for me, leave it in the comments, and thumbs up this video if you like my Rolling Stones shirt, if you like my denim jacket with the pins, if you like me, if you like yourself, just go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you're glad it's 2019, thumbs up this video. Thanks, you guys. See you later.